Stall kommt hier.
Eng Alm, Austria's pristine Alpine meadows, nature's peaceful sanctuary. 1,227 meters above sea level, crystal clear mountain air. Every morning, cattle spread across the meadow to enjoy the fresh air. Free to roam, free to graze, enjoying the taste of natural life. Nourished by fresh mountain grass and pure alpine air. The cattle know their territory well, masters of every corner. Modern alpine farming, the perfect fusion of technology and nature. As evening approaches, instincts take over. Time to return home. Time to head back to the barn, a natural calling. A daily ritual, the efficiency of contemporary farming. Crystal streams provide fresh water, life's essential element. They wait by the barn gates, following their routine. Cattle gather naturally, moving as a group. No force needed, just patience and understanding. Farmers arrive for evening milking. The day's final task begins. Each cow follows a familiar order. Everyone knows their place. Gentle hands, careful movements, a loving approach. The cows remain calm and content, living a stress-free life. Fresh alpine milk, rich and pure, nature's finest gift. This milk becomes the raw material for famous Eng Alm cheese. A strong bond between farmer and animal, mutual trust. Technology-supported care systems ensure optimal animal welfare. Each cow naturally produces an average of 20 liters of milk per day. No rushing, no stress, everything flows naturally. Modern alpine farming respects natural rhythms, living in harmony. Evening milking continues, the day's final fruitful moments. Automated milking systems ensure the highest hygiene standards. Quality is controlled at every step, guaranteeing excellence. Warm milk is immediately processed through cooling systems.
Vom Stall kommt hier und dann den Tank. Von der Kuh hier.
Cows rest after milking, enjoying a peaceful night's sleep. Tomorrow the cycle begins again, an endless ritual. Cattle to meadow, meadow to barn, life's natural flow. This is the essence of Eng Alm, the heart of modern farming. Contemporary alpine life continues, nature blended with innovation. In harmony with nature, achieving perfect balance through technology. Sustainable production, leaving a clean legacy for future generations. A heritage to be passed on to future generations. Eng Alm, where innovation thrives, Austria's alpine treasure.